Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let me do it. And here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and pick languages. And as you can see in my case I've got two different languages added. So first of all let me show you how to add the language. So basically just tap on add a language and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages. So just find yours and tap on it and let me pick maybe Turkish. Just tap and pick the region if you can. And as you can see my language has been applied to this list. However, we've got all the English language set. So in order to change it, we have to reorder the languages. The language you'd like to set must be on the first position. So let me tap on it, hold it, and let's drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. And as you can see, it will be applied. And the English. So basically this is how to change the language, and right now I can show you how to remove the languages from this list if you don't want to have them. So just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can mark them and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and as you can see we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.